This is it. It's not an OLED, but it's a Switch. It's a V2 Switch. I just bought it from last Thursday. So excited to buy one. So that's it. It's all set up.
Finally awake. You were trying to cross the border, right? Walked right into that Imperial ambush, same as us. And that thief over there. Damn you stormcloaks. Skyrim was fine until you came along. The Empire was nice and lazy. They hadn't been looking for you. They'd stolen that horse and been halfway to Hammerfell. You there, you and me, you shouldn't be here. It's the stormcloaks the Empire wants. We're all brothers and sisters in binds now.
Shut up back there.
What's wrong with him, huh? Watch your tongue. You're speaking to Ulfric Stormcloak, the true High King. Ulfric? Jarl?
I played Skyrim years before. Now I'm playing now on my Switch.
Oh God, where are they taking us? I don't know where we're going, but Sonnengaard awaits.